You are going to love this easy, delicious, and healthy chicken breast recipe that is anything but boring. This ginger soy orange chicken breast is so easy to make, it's so delicious, and it's really healthy. The full recipe is in the description, and before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can join me every week for my new recipes. We're gonna start by mincing up some fresh garlic and some fresh ginger. This is gonna go in an 8x8-inch baking dish along with the rest of our sauce ingredients. It's freshly squeezed orange juice, low sodium soy sauce, some hot honey, and some fresh cracked black pepper. We're gonna nestle in 2 boneless skinless chicken breasts and just toss them to coat in all of that sauce and flavor and bake at 350 Fahrenheit for around 40 minutes or until the internal temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you'll want to remove them from the pan and let them rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, pour that sauce into a skillet and bring it to a simmer over a medium heat. And then we're gonna add in a cornstarch slurry, which is just 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch mixed with about 2 tablespoons of water. We're gonna cook this and stir it over medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes, and you'll see it thickens up really nicely. And this is our glaze. So you can just nestle the chicken breast back in that, or you can plate up your chicken breast and spoon the glaze over, mix it in with some rice. Whatever you do, it is absolutely delicious and really easy to make. It's a fantastic recipe. And just like that, we've got an amazing, delicious, but still healthy chicken recipe. I know chicken can often be boring. This is one way to make it, and it's always delicious. This is great to serve with rice or whatever you want to pair it with your meal preps. If you want to scale this up, it is great for meal preps throughout the week, or it's great for a weeknight meal for the family or friends. You name it, this is a great recipe. That is good. Okay. Letting the chicken rest, so essential because it brings back all the moisture. 40 to 45 minute mark in the oven is really perfect for these, and then 10 minutes to rest. They're juicy and perfect every single time. That sauce has so much flavor. The orange comes through, the ginger's there, the garlic is there. Absolutely delicious. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.